Hello everyone. So in the last video we were seeing about this car class as a parent class and how we can add a child class to them and all, right? So this is just a continuity of the last video. So let's say we have a parent car class with some variables and attributes that are like the wheels, color and methods and all. And let's say now Maruti people comes to you. Okay, Maruti is a car company. So let's say they come to you and they are going to create a car. Okay, but with their special features. So they will say, okay, we are going to create a car. So you will say, okay, we will create a car. I will create a car. I will inheritance you from the car object, okay, car class. I will create a child class for you, Maruti, and you can have all the features and attributes in the car class, and also you can have your unique features as well. Let's say they have a unique features as unique logo feature, okay, M logo or Maruti logo. We can have it in the child class. Okay, that's called Maruti, right? And write MAR. And also let's say Maruti cars can fly, let's say, so we can have the function called fly. Your cars can fly when the time comes with wings. Okay, so that is not in the basic car class because basic cars don't fly, but your feature can fly. So the child Maruti car will have the basic features like driving, color, wheels and all from the parent class, and also it will have its unique features as M logo, fly and everything. Okay, and tomorrow BMW people will come to you and they are going to create their own car. So then you will say, okay, we will inherit your we will inherit the parent class and create a child class for you as well. Okay, and since Maruti people came, we didn't edit the parent class because we said we can add the Maruti logo and flying part in the parent class, but what if BMW people come tomorrow? How can you inherit them? Because Maruti's features will also become a part of BMW then if you do so. Okay, tomorrow Audi people may come. So if you add the Maruti's features in the parent class, that will be in a part of this Audi car as well. That cannot be accepted. So that is why the unique features we wrote only in the child classes. We didn't touch the parent class. We simply created a child class and added the unique features there. Okay. So now BMW people came and they will say, okay, they are going to create a car. Okay, fine. We create a child class for BMW from car class, and car, all the basic features of the car classes will be there. And BMW features we can have, let's say, a BMW logo. In the child class we can write a variable as BMW logo. Only a unique thing for them, for the child. Like how I said the house of the father and also the smartphone of the son, okay, children. And also let's say BMW cars will float in water. I'm just saying, okay, if Maruti cars can fly, why can't BMW float? Okay, so that method you can write inside the child class only, BMW child class. That cannot be written in the car class. So car class will be pure, it will not be touched, okay, by anyone, but we will inherit and we will add our unique features as well along with the existing features. Okay, so this is how things work. Okay, so okay, so now you know, if you have a father and a son, if the son inherits the father, how it happens? You born to him, right? Simply, okay, then you become his son and you inherit. But how we can write a child class for a parent class? How we can link them? How this link happens? How a class becomes a child to another class? Okay, so for that we have a keyword called extends. What is it? Extends. EXTENDS. Forgive me for my typing. Okay, so let's say if I say class A extends class B, now say who extends? A extends. Whom is being extended? B. Okay, so A will be child class and B will be the parent class. In other words, extends mean A inherits B. A inherits, inheritance. Okay, so who is inheriting? Child is inheriting, so A is the child. Who is being inherited? B is being inherited, so B is the parent. Okay, if you type like this, okay, then this connection is created. B becomes the parent of A. So here Maruti is the child, right? and car class will be the parent. So we will write Maruti. When you are creating the Maruti class, we will write Maruti extends car. Maruti extends car. So then obviously Maruti will become child and car will become parent. You see this? Maruti is child and car is parent. Sorry, parent. Okay. A, B. A is Maruti, B is car. Okay. In another word, Maruti inherits car. You understand? Then this connection is created. Okay. So how to do it in a programmatical manner, in the coding way? Let's have a look. So guys, so I'm here. So we have the car class and car maker class. In this package you can see car and car makers. You can forget the vehicle and vehicle maker for now. So we had a car class, a simple class. Now it is not parent because we don't have a child yet. Simple class with string, a variable, color, wheels and gear, and there are some constructor, and also there's a drive method and setters and getters. All those things are there. So that's fine. And we have car maker class. Okay, so where we create the object and create the variables and all. Okay, so this is the class, right? Object class. I mean, this car maker class is just to create the object and do our testing and all. So this is the basic car class. Okay, so let me create a child class, Maruti class, and try to inherit the car class and make the car class as parent and make the Maruti as a child. Okay, whatever we have had a look, I'm going to try it out. Okay, so I'll create a new class here, new class. Okay, and I will name it as Maruti. Okay, and I will simply finish. Okay, then obviously you see a public class Maruti has been created, and you know how to create a normal class. Now Maruti is a separate class, car is a separate class, but now what we have to do, we have to create this link, this red color link. Okay, that means we have to make Maruti as a child of car. Okay, how to do it? I said we can use the keyword called extends. See, extends, it comes in a color, right? Okay, nice. So public class Maruti extends, who is the parent? Car. Okay, so I'm making car as a parent class of Maruti. Okay, so I have to do a few things to do this. Okay, we don't have to worry about that now. Okay, so we don't have to worry about that now. We have to do a few things. Just don't worry. Okay, there's an error, right? So it says something wrong with the constructor. So for now, what I will do is, we studied about the car class constructors, right? So for now I will comment out these constructors and I will keep it as it was at the initial times. Okay, so I have commented out this constructor of the car. It's gone, right? It's commented, right? It's no more there. So now we have car class without a constructor, therefore we can create the car without constructor, right? Just new car. You know all those things, right? So I'm removing these things anyway, since they also give us some errors. Okay, no worries. Okay, I'm saving them. Okay, fine. Okay, if you want I can even delete them, you don't care. Okay, let them be commented, it's not a problem. Okay, so we have color, wheels and auto gear, and we have the drive method, and also we have getters and setters for everything. Okay, now we are in the Maruti class. Okay, now you see the error has gone. We can fix the error in a nice way, but we will see that later. Now we will have a look on the basics. Okay, so now simply the car class is extended by the Maruti class. Okay, car class is inherited by Maruti class because we say Maruti extends car, child extends parent. Maruti inherits car. Okay, Maruti has become the child of the car class, and car class has become the parent of the Maruti class. It's okay, guys. So we will continue the rest from the next video.